Hey, good morning everyone. So this morning we're going to show y'all the easy way to change one of these out. It is your cab vent. This is on a 2015 Ram 2500. There are multiple ways to do it. You got to pull the seat on the rear, which typically isn't too bad as long as you don't have a bunch of crap in the way. I'm going to show you all the easiest way I have found to do these. Common failure on these is these little flaps right here that you see opening. They will go bad and allow water seepage, but majority of the time it is actually, there's a little bitty rubber seal right here. So that little rubber seal goes out, dries up, and allows water seepage. This truck, that is exactly what it's doing. We replaced the third brake light on it about 6 months ago. That took care of the leak that was up on the headliner. And then the other day, noticed that there was some water, some stuff wet below the back seat. Did some checking, and it was after about a 4-inch rain, but did some checking, and sure enough, run a water hose right down the back window over those vents, and you can see with the mirror that it's clearly coming from one of these vents. So we're going to show you all how to change them out. So as you can see, there's a bolt here. There's another one way back there. Those are 18 millimeter. But you'll pull those two bolts. You'll pull the two on that side. You'll have to mess with your seat belt and whatnot afterwards. Your center seat belt, there's a little bolt right here. Pull that so that way the strap comes around the seat. So once you have your seat out of the way, you got to remember, biggest thing, these right here hook into these. So there's one on each side. The two center ones don't get used, not for this style bench seat, but you have to make sure that you just don't pull the seat forward. You have to pick the seat up and then slide it forward. And then I just slide it all the way forward. I use a bungee cord to hold it up. Next, you got to pull these little clips right here. And we got a fancy little tool for that. Pull these 3 loops. There's 2 there and 1 right there. But pull those 3 loops out of the way. Take this plastic little piece off, and it'll access your cab vents. All right, so see these clips? There's 3 of them on your OEM ones. There's 3 of them. On the top, there's 3 on the bottom. You can just push them in with your finger, and then once you get them in, see how it loosens around. Now, the fun part, and it's possible, may not seem like it, don't worry about your old seal, because your old seal just comes out. But as you can see, no flaps, seal falls apart. Now the new one, you got to make sure you don't install it upside down. Install it upright. Make sure the flaps actually close on it when it's sitting up. This one only has 2 clips, top and bottom. But same thing, when you go to put it in, you'll put it in sideways. Make sure you get it oriented right once you get it pushed through the hole. These seem to fit a little bit tighter, but it's all right. You get it up there so far, and just like so. No excessive forcing, so nothing breaks. Then you just grab a hold and kind of pull. You'll feel them clip. Same thing up here. You just kind of pull and you'll feel them clip. Push on it a little bit, make sure it's secure, and voila. That's how you change out your rear cab vents on a 2015 Ram. These are the same cab vents for a 1500 and a 3500 as well. As far as long as you got the crew cab, that's how you do it. The single cabs, probably a little easier because all you gotta do is tilt the seat forward. But pull your little deal out and voila. Y'all got any questions? Leave them in the comment section. I'll answer best I can. Until then, we'll see y'all on the next one. Hope y'all have a nice day. Don't forget to like and share the content. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. And we'll be posting more.